Hello, my friends, and welcome to the 441st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you are doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Before we begin, today marks 5 years since I've been on YouTube. Thank you, my friends, for watching and tuning in and for all your support. I am truly grateful. I'm looking forward to sharing with y'all more great Southern recipes with all of you in the coming years. Let the cooking journey continue. Again, thank you. I had some leftover cranberries from the holidays and I didn't know what to do with them. So I went into my kitchen and I found some oranges and I figured why not make some cranberry orange muffins. And my friends, these are the bomb.com. They're gonna be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And these are so moist, they just melt in your mouth. These would be great to serve for breakfast, brunch, even for a snack. Everybody's gonna fall in love with these muffins. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my muffin recipes playlist from blueberry to strawberry muffins and my previous video, oatmeal pie. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your oranges, your cranberries, and your muffin pan sugar because we're about to bake some cranberry orange muffins magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the dry ingredients. In my bowl and sifter, I have 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And sift these together. Now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of real mayonnaise, the zest of 2 medium oranges, 2 extra large eggs at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure orange extract. And we're going to whisk everything together until they're well incorporated. Alright, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And continue whisking until they're well incorporated. And now for the final ingredient, we're going to add in 1 1/2 cups of fresh cranberries that I roasted in the oven and let them cool, or you can use the frozen cranberries. And fold them in. Can smell the orange zest and the orange juice. Love the smell of orange. Ain't nothing like orange and cranberry. Incredible combination. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding in my cranberries and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through folding in the cranberries. And our batter is nice and thick. That looks great. Now we're ready to fill our muffin pan. We're going to fill them up in the muffin pan using 12 muffin liners. So using my cookie scoop, just going to scoop the dough and scoop it into our muffin liner. It will give us even muffins. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling up my muffin liners and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my muffins together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. First we're going to bake them in the preheated 425 degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for 5 minutes. And after that we're going to reduce the temperature to 350 and let them continue baking for 18 to 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my muffins out of the oven. It smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are? Perfect. So now we're going to let the muffins cool completely, and then I'll put them on my cake stand and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Cranberry Orange Muffins. Doesn't it look delicious? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate and I'll garnish it with an orange slice and some cranberries. Look how pretty that is. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Nice and moist. I could taste the cinnamon and the orange. And when you bite into it, that cranberry just pop, bursting with flavor. If y'all love orange and cranberry, y'all gonna love these muffins. These are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Orange cranberry muffin-licious. My friends, I want to thank all of you for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.